It's easy for me to do the tree recipe for Williamsburg because I love everything that is on this tree. The other important fact for you as a shopper is to know that many of these ornaments and stems are in our top products coming out of the Dallas show in the first few days of Atlanta. So let's get right to it and find out why. What is it about Williamsburg? Well, Williamsburg traditionally has a lot of dark, heavy colors. You know, it's a colonial American type theme. And so those were heavy metals, heavy, dark colors. And the only way to make that modern is to lighten up those hues and give them a little bit of a lift. And that's what you see here. We only see a little bit of black on our little drummer boy. He kind of sets the tone. We keep a little bit of that black and it reflects off of our ornaments, but all the other colors from Williamsburg have been lifted quite a bit. You're going to see a lot of gold. And so here's our hydrangea that is our new botanical. It is encrusted with the beads and the ice. Beautiful. We have it in the leaf stem, the magnolias, and we have poinsettias. You'll also notice right next to it is this nice dark rich color, and we have all of the botanicals in this lighter gold and in this red. They are all doing very, very well right now for us. As far as the ornaments are concerned, many of these have fantastic shapes, including this one right here. Now there are a pair of these ornaments. They have a reflector window and they have some black etching just to kind of play with the drummer boy's drumsticks and for his hat. Beautiful little ornament here, beautiful shape on that. And again, I like the reflector window in there. The other shapes that you're gonna see here, they have a lot of color. How many times have you seen a Christmas tree where you lose the green or you lose the blue ornaments because they blend right into the tree? The reason that is because the saturation of color isn't strong enough and the translucency of the ornament isn't giving us enough light. Well, we've got that covered because this ornament right here, and isn't this just beautiful, has a little bit of a crackle on the inside, a gorgeous peacock blue color, but it is translucent. You can see through it, but the finish on it is incredible. That one and this one that have both the little texture on the inside, it's on the inside of the ornament, not on the outside. Again, it lightens everything up for us. It gives us that color, but you can see the greens, you can see the blues, you can see these lovely yellows and golds easily in this tree recipe. I'm going to finish you out with two other things. One is the beaded pomegranate stem. That is new for us this year. We have never had it beaded before. We've always had it in just a flat gold. It has a lot of little bitty beads on there, and the ribbon that you see woven throughout this entire tree with all that beautiful gold stitching on the red. There is nothing I don't love about Williamsburg, and almost every single item on this tree is going to be in our top items producing for holiday 2023.